Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make 3 DIY Valentine's Day treats. This is so perfect because you can make it as a little gift for friends or family, and then of course your boyfriend or girlfriend. And they are just so delicious and tasty, and I know that whoever you give it to is going to be in love with these. So let's just get started. First, we will be making Valentine's Day Muddy Buddies. So first, you are going to need the white chocolate candy wafers, and you are going to place that in the microwave until it is fully melted. I like to do it in 30-second intervals. Then you are going to pour a box of Rice Chex cereal into a gallon-sized bag. I should have split it into 2 bags, so that's what I highly recommend to you guys. And then you are going to pour in your white chocolate into the bag and then shake it all together and mix it all together to make sure that the melted chocolate is all over the cereal. Then you are going to take your frosted animal crackers and you are going to completely crush the crackers. So I'm using this mallet, I'm pretty sure it's called, and you're just going to make sure it is all crumbled into little pieces. And I just poured the animal crackers into the bag. I shook it up. And then you are going to put half a cup of powdered sugar and a whole ton of sprinkles into your bag. And just shake it up. And then after you let it sit for a little bit, you are going to place it in a bag or a container. And then you are done. And next we are going to be making chocolate covered pretzels, because that is the typical Valentine's Day treat to give someone. So you are just going to melt some white chocolate candy wafers, and you are going to use regular sized pretzels, and I just dipped half of the pretzel into the chocolate. And after you dip a few of the pretzels into the chocolate, you're just going to sprinkle some of your Valentine's Day sprinkles on top. And just continue that process until you complete all of your chocolate covered pretzels. And last but not least, we are going to be making little teddy bears that have hearts on them. They are so cute. So you are just going to need Teddy Grahams. You could get whatever flavor you prefer. You are going to need white chocolate candy wafers once again. And then sweet tarts. It's literally just 3 ingredients. And it is super easy to make. So you are just going to lay out all of your Teddy Grahams onto a plate. And then you are going to take a sweet tart, dip it into the chocolate, and then stick it on the belly of the Teddy Graham. And just like hold it down so then it doesn't fall over. And then you are going to let it harden for a little bit. And that is it. I love these treats because they are so simple and quick to make. And then if you do decide to make these treats into a little gift idea, you can just get these little jars. They are probably just a couple bucks from Walmart or the dollar store or even Target. And then you can just insert however many of the treats you want into it. And then I just got some ribbon and tied a ribbon around the jar to make it all cute and festive. And that is it with the Valentine's Day treats ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you some inspiration of what to make your significant other or your family, friends, whoever you are spending Valentine's Day with. And I hope you all have an amazing Valentine's Day. Go ahead and treat yourself. And I love you guys. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.